everyone, welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install the Like application. So for that, first of all, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Tap open the Play Store. There on the Play Store, on the top you need to type in Like, then tap on search. It will show you the search result for the Like application. Now you tap on that Like app and then tap on install. Now you wait for the application to be fully installed first. Like is a short video creation and sharing app which is available for both Android and iOS. So if you want to download this app on the iOS, you need to go to the App Store on the device and you will be able to download it from there. Like is a global short video creation and sharing platform as well as a famous video making application. The application has been fully downloaded. Now you just need to tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Like application. So this is how you can download and install Like. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you.